No, that's a sheep. What's the frog say? What's the horse say?
Good girl.
What's the duck say?
Quack, quack.
What's the doggy say?
Woof, woof.
What's the frog say?
Yay!
What's Wabbit?
What's the lion say?
Open Ashy? What's the chicken say?
Quack, quack.
No. What's the bunny do?
Hop, hop.
What's the owl say?
Ooh. Ooh. Good girl.
What's the frog say?
What that?
Yay!
Open, Ashy.
What?
Open, Ashy.
Open it?
Amanda, you have to correct her.
What?
Because she's going to call you Ashy.
Why?
She
doesn't know, Carol Ashley.
That's not your name.
She doesn't know. Farmer in the Dell. I forgot about that song. Webbit.